Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX425E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus UX425E can barely last an hour off the charger, you're not alone. This is a common issue often caused by battery wear or malfunction. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable. To fix this, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement battery compatible with the Asus UX425E. It's essential to have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging sensitive components. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. To open the device, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry apart the bottom cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid breaking the clips. Once the base is open, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component secured by screws. Remove the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, noting their sizes and positions for reassembly. After unscrewing, gently lift the battery out using your fingers or tweezers. Be cautious with any cables attached to the battery, disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the appropriate cable, ensuring it's secure. Once connected, place the new battery into the compartment, aligning it with the screw holes. Reinsert the screws to secure the battery, applying just enough force to keep it in place without over-tightening. Before closing the laptop, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully reposition the bottom cover and press down around the edges to snap it back into place. Finally, turn on your Asus UX425E and check if the battery is charging properly and lasts longer than before. To avoid similar issues in the future, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly. It's also wise to use power-saving settings to prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.